Making a report to Disability Commissioner Tasmania. You can make a report to us if you are concerned that a person with a disability may be at risk of harm, and this includes violence, abuse, neglect, coercion, and exploitation. The report could be about you, someone you know, or something you have witnessed. You can choose to remain anonymous. People who make reports to us are protected under the Disability Rights Inclusion and Safeguarding Act of 2024. Who can help? A family member or trusted person, such as a friend or advocate, can help you make a report. The National Relay Service can also help you communicate with us. National Relay Service, general calls at 1300 555 727 or TTY voice calls 133 677. TTY type and read 1800 555 677. SMS relay, general calls send an SMS to 0423 677 767. Your privacy. We treat the information you give us carefully and respectfully. We will keep your information private and handle it responsibly. Our privacy policy is available on our website. How to make a report. You can make a report in a way that works best for you. You can contact us by phone at 1800 179 249, which is a free call. Email contact@disabilitycommissioner.tas.gov.au. Online form. Or in person. Our office is on level 5, 188 Collins Street in Hobart, and we can also meet in a place that feels safe for you. Mail. Disability Commissioner Tasmania, GPO Box 123, Hobart 7001. What happens next? When we receive a report, we carefully consider and assess the information. We will respond to you with our next actions in a way that works best for you. Disability Commissioner Tasmania is independent and we take every report seriously. More information. You can find out more about how to make a report on our website. If you or someone else is in immediate danger, call 000.